Instagram has come up with new feature Threads. In this video, I will be showing you guys how to use Threads. Hello everyone, this is Lisa from Create, Login and Delete. Now let's get started. Open your Instagram app. Make sure you are using the latest version of your Instagram app. Now you're gonna land to the home page. At the bottom, you're gonna find different options. Head towards the profile icon given at the bottom right corner. After you land to your profile, at the top right corner, you can find 3 bars. Tap on it. Now over here you will find different options. Along with the old options, you will be able to find new feature of Instagram Threads. So you can tap on this option of Threads. With that, you will land to this kind of page. Now over here you can find the option of Get Threads. Tap on it. You will directly land to your Play Store or App Store. Now you have to download this app. After completion of download, you can tap on the option of Open. Threads is an app from Instagram where you can post threads, reply to others and follow profiles you are interested in. Threads allow you to sign up using your Instagram login and you will be able to follow all the accounts you already follow on Instagram on Threads automatically as they join. So now what you have to do is select your account. Over here you will be able to find your Instagram account. In the case you want to log in with another account, you can tap on the option of Switch account. For now, I will be choosing my Instagram account to sign up for a thread. Customize your thread profile. You can import from Instagram or you can just skip this process right now. I will be importing from my Instagram. You can do that as well. Just tap on the option of import from Instagram. And after you do that, tap on next. Now here you have to select your privacy. If you want to set your thread account to the public or private, here I will be selecting public. After you select that, tap on next. Now here are a few suggested accounts. You can follow these. After you do that, tap on the option of next. How threads work. You can go through this and then you can tap on the option of join threads. You will land to the homepage of your thread account. You have just joined the thread. At the bottom, you'll find different options heading towards the search icon. From here, you can search for the person to follow. Likewise, heading towards this one icon. From here, you can add new thread. Likewise, from here, you can check all the activities. And when you tap on this icon, you will land to your profile. After you land to your profile, tapping on this option of edit profile, from here you can edit your thread information. Likewise, tapping on this option show profile, you will be able to show your thread account's profile. If you post anything, it will appear over here. Tapping on this bars given at the top right corner, from here you can follow and invite friends. You can go through these features given over here. Also, you can log out from here. Go back. Let me go ahead and interact with any post. Here I will be going to the search icon and here I will be searching for Instagram. Here I will be following the Instagram and opening it. I have come to the official account of Instagram. With any post I can like it or I can comment it. Likewise, tapping on this icon I can repost it or quote it. Also I will be able to show it. Also, I will be showing you guys how can you post. For that, you'll need to tap on this icon given at the bottom middle. Now here you can just type in anything that you want to post. Tapping on this icon, your gallery will open up and now you can upload any photo to your post. Tapping over here, you can select who can reply to your post. You can set it to anyone, profiles you follow or mentioned only. And then you can tap on the option of post. Now it's in the process. Now head towards your profile and over here you will be able to see your very first post. So this is how you can get access to threads and use it. This was all for this video. If you guys find this video helpful, make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.